Welcome back. Here's what to do if your diet food isn't satisfying. Saw this on Reddit, see if you can relate to it. I've been on a diet that's helping me lose weight, but recently I'm not satisfied when I eat, so I eat something else. I wonder, why am I even eating when none of this stuff is even seems worth it? How do I get back on track? And this person's diet said, I eat a bowl of tuna salad with 2 cans of tuna and pickles that I like. It fits my diet and it's easy to prepare. But now I've been going back for crackers. Then I'm not hungry with I'm not happy with my lunch. So I want to eat more, which adds calories. Then I eat dinner and it happens again. Then I also want to snack at 8:30 p.m. when I used to not want to snack. I'm trying to work through why I'm feeling this way so I don't make mistakes because I am still committed to keeping my weight down. Click like if that's something you can relate to, where your hunger, appetite, sense of satisfaction are changing. You're not sure why. You're starting to wonder, like, what do I do? How do I fix this? What kind of problem do I have? What kind of solutions are available? I'll tell you about it right now. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance, where I build adaptive business leaders through compassionate health coaching. And knowing what to focus on is a big part of losing weight. You need vision, focus, and practice. That's the three elements of the guilt-free process. Knowing what to focus on is key. The guilt-free game plan is the most compassionate way to build self-control so you lose weight without all or nothing diets. That's linked below. So I'd be glad to help you. First, if you're going to base your diet on tracking calories, make sure your weight loss goal and diet are realistic. So one thing, you don't have to track calories to lose weight. I will go on rants about that. But also, if you're going to base your diet on that, make sure your weight loss goal and diet are realistic. So don't try to lose like 5 pounds in a week consistently, right? Don't take extreme measures trying to lose weight too fast, because what that does, that'll shrink your calorie goal down to a point that is too different from what you're used to eating, and it makes it unrealistic. So make sure your weight loss goal and diet are realistic. Let me know if that makes sense in the comments. If you don't do that, then you'll be hungrier than you want. You'll go over your target and you feel like something's wrong with you. You'll wonder why your food isn't satisfying. And it's really just because you haven't picked a realistic goal and you're hungry. So, crucial step, make sure that your weight loss goals and diet are realistic. Let me know if you need help with that. And I also have a video I've made already warning, are you about to start a low calorie diet? I'll put that below in the description on YouTube. So to go on, a person says, I'm not satisfied when I eat, so I eat something else. The question I have for that, the question for the question, well, what satisfaction are you desiring? What do you want? Are you still hungry? Do you want to feel more full? Do you want to eat more food or have a longer meal for enjoyment, like eat for a longer period of time? Do you want better tasting food? So satisfied can mean a bunch of different things. What desire, what want do you have? Are you trying to satisfy? Because once you're clear on that, then you have a better picture of how to remedy it directly. Okay, one thing that I immediately thought is tuna and pickles is not very much food. A couple cans of tuna and pickles, and it doesn't have a lot of fiber. It's not enough to help you feel physically satisfied. And usually, if that would be like a snack. If you're eating that, then you're probably going to feel hungry afterwards. Eating more fiber satisfies hunger. There are tons of benefits of fiber. I talk about them often. I'm a huge fan of getting enough fiber. Most people don't, and then they wonder why they're hungry. So eating more fiber satisfies your hunger. You can eat more food and it'll take longer to eat. Plus, there are no calories in fiber. So eating more high fiber foods like spinach, putting this tuna salad situation on spinach can add a lot of good volume to it, or having some fruit on the side of this can add more fiber. Beans, those are good ways to add more fiber so you feel more satisfied. You can eat more food, it'll take you longer to eat, and then you won't get hungry as fast. So, in terms of like your later meals, you can have them on schedule or at a later time because you don't feel as hungry as urgently. So, huge benefits to fiber. Next thing, personally, I think pickles are gross. I don't understand why anyone likes them. Tuna and pickles is gross. It's like a tuna salad. She later stated that she added some condiments in there to give it more flavor. But think about what you're eating. If you want more delicious foods or something, or more volume, um, or something that tastes better, right? Any combination of those could be more satisfying if you're struggling with this this kind of lunch. It's a bland lunch. It's gross. I wouldn't do it, but I'm not hating. Like some people like tuna and pickles better than I do. So something you can do to add more flavor or excitement to your meal, a protein shake or a smoothie blended with protein into it can satisfy hunger. So I like to use frozen fruit smoothies, put spinach, cashews, almond milk, and then whey protein isolate. And that is a really satisfying snack or complement to a meal. Sometimes that could be the breakfast on the way out the door, right? And that keeps me satisfied throughout the day. And if it has fruit in it, then it's also got the fiber that helps keep you satisfied as well. And that to me would be way better than tuna and pickles. All right. Overall, another way to do it is meal prep or have ingredients for something tasty and awesome. So tuna and pickles could be like a seems like to be a last resort, or I didn't really have time to get everything mixed up or cook on the weekends. But if you have time to prep your meals, you can have a proper meal ready to go in a little container, and that could be much more enjoyable. Or even something like overnight oats, if that's something that you like, that can be really good, and it can taste really good. Probably better than tuna and pickles, depending on like your personal taste. All right, I don't mean to ride the tuna and pickles too much, but no. All right, so if you are interested in some other ideas for healthy recipes that are high in fiber that'll keep you satisfied, a snack pack is linked below. It's got 5 delicious recipes and done for you grocery lists and makes healthy eating easier. So there's a couple dinner recipes, there's a smoothie recipe, overnight oats are in there as well. And those are plant-based, great fiber recipes, and then really straightforward to get that shopping list going. And that's part of the full 30-day plant-based transformation I have available too. So I'll link those below. Those are just some quick ideas on how to make your food more satisfying overall, making sure you get enough fiber. You can make healthy, delicious, tasty things that you enjoy eating, and then making sure that your calorie target is realistic so you can get enough energy and food to satisfy your needs. You stay energized for whatever you're trying to do throughout the day instead of focusing on being hungry and wondering something's wrong with you, not feeling satisfied with what you're eating. The healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams includes eating satisfying meals that taste good and rewarding and nourish your body. So let me know what you think in the comments. Click like if this helps you. Then next you can watch Warning. Are you about to start a low calorie diet? You want to get that calorie target realistic and accurate? I'll put that right here. So that's today's message. As always, keep practicing. Peace.